I enjoyed the aquabus. It was so much fun.
I enjoyed school because it was nice to see what the different kids did.
My favourite bit was the shopping with the clothes.
My favourite was the shopping because I like spending all my money.
My favourite part was everything.
My favourite part is Donald.
My favourite part was the aquabus because it was fun and I was a little bit nervous.
My favourite part about the Rotterdam trip is the flying on the plane for the first time, going on a tram, going on the aquabus and spending time with my friends.